Hey Insulators, we are outside Charlotte, North Carolina, and this is Rasheem. He's with Sentinel Spray Foam, and we get to wear some of his swag today.
Yeah.
Appreciate that.
My pleasure.
Rasheem's been a customer of ours for about 4 years now.
Yep, 4
he
years.
purchased the CM1500HP, keeps it in top condition. In fact, he called me a few weeks ago and said, "Hey Barry, send me a maintenance kit." And I sent him a maintenance kit full of new airlock seals, etc. So we got into your machine.
Yep.
Found out that your airlock seals were perfectly fine. They're looking good.
Yep.
So even after 4 years, but that was because he is mainly a spray foam guy. He may have used this already about a dozen times.
No more than 20 for sure.
Right. So he's not due for the new airlock seals, but we showed him how to take them out, how to put them back in. Tell us what you were faced with and why this was an issue.
Initially, I called Barry and thought it was an airlock seal situation because I would get surges in power in my output in cellulose, and so I would get slow down in production, and then would get like a poof, like a surge of material coming out, ever so often on these jobs, and so I thought it was an airlock issue, and so called Barry, asked him for a maintenance kit. Thought I was going to be doing it myself, but it just so happened that he was able to come by and help me do it. And again, found out once we opened everything up that it wasn't an airlock situation. All the more, always been impressed with your customer service. You answer my calls like day in, day out. A lot of times I feel bad about it, but you make me feel like there's no problems, in which I always appreciate. And so I appreciate you always being that support.
Absolutely, and we're glad to help you. So what we ended up doing is we removed rake fingers that were installed into this machine. Rake fingers help you when you're doing fiberglass, but in Rasheem's case, he's doing a lot of cellulose, so it was actually creating that pulsing situation. We removed the rake fingers and he should be fine now.
Yep.
So, but yeah, we tried to get out here earlier. When you first bought the machine, you said, "Come on out," and we've been trying for 4 years to figure out how to get up here to North Carolina.
But we're here,
Yeah.
Yep. So yeah, I mean, it's been great. I mean, I have no problem. Since then, bought the hose reel. I bought I bought some hoses.
You won a vacuum.
I won the vacuum.
Yeah, you were going to buy a vacuum from me, but you got a really good deal.
Absolutely.
That was free.
Absolutely. I still want that either 25 horsepower diesel or that 37 horsepower, because I want to be able to, of course, production, right?
But yeah, he's a great customer. We got to have breakfast the other day and got to come back and swing back by and help him with this machine.
And breakfast is on me today.
You're on the other side of the industry.
Yes.
The dark side.
Yeah. Yes.
Sentinel Spray Foam. So tell us a little bit about what you do. We've
been in business since 2019. All right. And so we started off with, fiberglass, the blow-in. After I think 3 years of renting machines, that was just it for me.
Right.
And so I called you and finally said, "Barry, I need to pull the trigger. I'm tired of these rentals." We're not going to name the big boxes, but since then it's been great. Production has been great, but of course I do spray foam and I concentrate on spray foam, so that's why I haven't used this machine as much as somebody else would. Here soon, definitely wanted the maintenance, because I am going to very soon start marketing the other sides of the business as well. So yes, I teeter between the dark side, and the light side. So, but yeah, I mean, been in business since 2019, and it's been great. It's been great.
Awesome. Thank you, Rasheem. I really appreciate all the calls, talks on the phone. We don't just talk about machines
No,
either.
we sure don't. We sure don't.
So this has been a good visit.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep, I appreciate you always. Look forward to bigger and better things for sure.
Sounds great.
You got to graduate to that 3500 one day.